Yo, what up, what up, what up? This TradeMo.co. Hope y'all doing good. Trading Bitcoin live right now. On the right side, I got the 1 hour time frame. On the left side, I got the 2 minute time frame. Both of these are Bitcoin. Okay. What you're looking at is an algorithm. You see how on the right side, this candlestick and this candlestick, these are our time frames. Okay. This is equivalent to what we see on the left side with the 2 minute candlesticks. Based on with these moving averages. These moving averages are slower than these moving averages right here, okay? But on the hour time frame, the faster moving averages are equivalent to the slower moving averages. So let me show you. So by the hour, we see this blue moving average, this line right here, how it curved over and went underneath this orange line right up in here. And the orange line started curving right up in here as well. It's responding to the price action as well. Both moving averages are following the direction its price action is trending. It seems like it's trending down right now. That's why the moving averages at a certain point it confirmed that with the one candlestick opening. Okay, but if we look to the left side, we look at the 2 minute time frame. You see how this thicker blue moving averages start to curving as well and cross underneath this orange moving average, and the orange moving average will start to curving down as well. You can see where they start curving and like going towards each other, letting you know that a reversal is coming in. So if you would have gotten this trade around this time here, you would have been in the profit a long time ago. But it's relevant to the hour time frame. See, it's because look right here, this same time this is 187,911. I mean not 187. It says 87. The price is 87. Um, what I don't know. To the trading and stuff like that. Look to the right. It's the same price. See, it's the same fucking thing. It's the same thing. Look, if I go up, the price at 302 right here, right? 302 is about like right here, a little bit right there. If I go to the left, if I put this line right there, this is where it's at. Hold on. Like right up in here. You see where the line would have been? This in the way a little bit, but up in here, that's where the price would have been right up in there. That's where it started at right up in here. Remember I was telling y'all? So for real, 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 it looked like if I was looking at this 10 moving average going in underneath this 50, I would have got in a lot earlier. You know what I mean? But I still, yeah, see what I'm saying? But it still shows a pattern in the algorithm that makes sense. You know, I can't see anybody chatting right now. I'm just talking. If you're saying something, I appreciate you. You need to go to trade mode, TradeMo.co if you want to actually see where to purchase this actual system. It's only on, I mean, it's free right now, to be honest with you. You know, you can go get it for free right now. Go get the system free. It's 100% free for the time being. I could take a trade based on this algorithm, and this comes with an alert system. It's free right now at trademode.co. Go to trademode.co. You can get this system for free. It's free right now. Okay, this is a prop firm challenge. You know, all I gotta do is make 20% of this, and I pass. And I think I got to do it 2 times. I don't remember what I got, but with these type of indicators and stuff like that, like man, it's gonna be easy. Bitcoin trading Bitcoin has the best price if you're trading with liquid brokers. I can give you that link as well. Just still go to trademode.co to actually get the information and stuff. You can sign up under that link there for liquid brokers if you want to do that. But this particular company I'm trading with right now, this was Sway, but they still use the same liquid charts to trade basically. So on this side with the 2 minute time frame, with this particular moving average algorithm right here, the blue and this orange, when they cross over and one candlestick confirm, it's going to be a buy. It's going to tell me to buy. It's going to pop up right here to the side. It's going to let me know. And remember, this price right here moving, senior, crazy. Boom. It said buy like I told you. Okay, now I'm taking the trade as a buy, but I'm not gonna put all my money in, a lot of money in. I'm gonna change that charm. You know what I mean? Because I know that the price is trending down. You know what I mean? So you really don't want to trade against the trend and stuff like that. But I'm doing it just to show you how quick you get in profit with this shit. Okay. So look, you see I was in profit already, but I'm gonna just keep the trade open. You see how the blue moving average is over the orange moving average, and the alert just came on. You see how the price is going up. This is with the broker. I'm telling you, you got to go to trade mode, TradeMO.co to sign up for this broker. You could do it for free. You can get this information, you can download it for free. You can get this system for free. You just keep the trade open as long as the direction the price is going for the moving averages, okay? If you would have got in this trade right here, from here all the way down to here, it just crossed over. You would have did a nice little profit, but you could do this shit all day. You know, you just keep the trades open based on the moving averages. I don't have to sit up here and guess or anything like that. You see, it told me the price was going up. I wasn't really trying to anticipate like, oh, is it gonna? I'm just trading what it says to do. I'm only doing what it tell me to do. Okay. If you're paying attention over here to the left, you see I'm in profit already. You know, even though it's only that much sense, I'm trading against the trend. I don't want to trade against the trend. That's why I'm only using so much money. When it's time to trade with the direction of the trend, if it's going that direction, then you put a lot of money in. But on the weekend, it's hard to really say. You know what I mean? Because it could be consolidating. You know, this market. Look to the right. You see how most of the day's been like doing this? It's flat. It could continue to do that, or it might be just ready to go ahead and trend down. But but that's why I trade on the 2 minutes on the weekend. I don't even trade on the weekend. I'm just doing this just to, you know what I mean? Because I know my shit work. You know what I'm saying? I'm just shooting the breeze for real. You know what I mean? Like I said, this for my prop firm challenge. I only got to make so much money doing it. I could have put in a nice amount in here right there in this trade, but it's based on market condition. Ain't no guarantee that the chart was gonna do that. You know, it's no guarantee it was gonna do that. That it was just gonna continuously go up. So I'm only just using a little bit. If it go up, my moving average is doing its job. See, the moving average right here, job is to follow the direction the price action is moving. This is price action right here, okay? You see how it's price action right here? This is the same on the 2 minute as it is on the hour. Look at the hour. Same time as it go up and down. It's just on a smaller increment. So you see how it's crossed over right here, this moving average and this orange. That's what we see going on with this hour time frame. Right here, it's just the same thing, just on two different time increments. But that's why I have two up to let me know what's going on. Okay. And look, it told me to take a buy a while ago, right? You just keep this trade open as long as this moving average is crossed over this orange moving average, and just keep the trade open. Now, for real, I could just go ahead and take this profit because it's like 9 times out of 10, like it's gonna bounce off this orange and continues to go down. But I'm gonna just let my stuff do what it do. You know, even though that's probably what's going on, because we see that it's a downtrend. It could be consolidating again still. You know what I mean? Like I'm saying, it's the weekend. I'm too smart for that shit. I'm not finna fall for it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna just wait and trade when I'm supposed to, and just let my moving averages tell me what to do. Like the Novus trader would have been out this trade a long time ago. You know, I'm not up here guessing. I'm not, trying to measure. I'm not doing any support and resistance. I'm not doing any of that. I'm simply following this algorithm, which is the moving average crossover strategy that we see right here. This moving average is keeping me in the trade because it's following, is responding to the price action right here. So if it start like trending down, like let's say it's want to start going down, what will happen is the moving average will start going down, and then this moving average, this orange moving average, will start going down as well. The blue is going to respond quicker than the orange because the blue moving average is quicker than this orange. You see, that's why this blue moving average just crossed over before this orange was going up. Based on what we see with these candles, look like the price is going down, right? It looked like it though. It's all about what the price action really doing. Even though it's creating these candlesticks, it ain't no telling y'all. It ain't no telling what it's gonna do. Now, right now, how many people watching this thinking it's gonna go down? If anybody watching this, a lot of people gonna say yeah because we see what's going on, right? We by the hour. I'm talking about by the hour. We know what is going on. Like it's gonna be a sale, right? But as of right now, on a 2 minute time frame, there's no guarantee it's just gonna do that right now. But if it does cross over the blue with the orange in one candlestick form, then we just take it that way. Then even when it do that, ain't no guarantee. And because again, it's the weekend, you should not really trade Bitcoin on the weekend. But I'm just trying to show you how precise this trading algorithm is and how good the spread is. You notice I was in profit earlier. You know what I'm saying? Decently and stuff like that. And you know what? Based on how I know patterns even work, just because this part come over here, and if it told me to get in this trade, I still wouldn't put a lot of money in it because it could be doing like a triple top or a double top. Now look, the alarm just told me. So look, this how you do this. You simply go right here. This how you do a quick look. Watch this. Press the one button, reverse. Instant hedging reverse button. I should have had it ready anyway, but it is what it is. Next time I can have it ready up here. I mean, well, not over there, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So look, what I lost a couple cents or something. But look, we see this as a downtrend anyway. That's exactly why I said we don't want to trade away from the damn trend. We want to trade with the trend. So that little money I lost, what, maybe a dollar? You know what I'm saying? Maybe a dollar. I'm gonna make that back if it's really trending that direction and we see what's going on. We see it's trending. What's going on direction because we see about an hour. I mean, we already know what's going on, but this is for precise. You still want to use your system the best you want. But look, on the daily time frame, it's a sale right now. This candlestick looked like it wanted to attempt to engulf this candlestick. When it engulfed mean basically come down lower than it closed on the as it went higher. So you see how it went from here to here going up. The orange represents a signal. I mean, candlestick is the price is going down. So you see how it's almost more than this part. If it has to go down lower, that's what we see going on. Look like it's going on. But we can never just guarantee. We must follow our strategy. Never guarantee. That's why we have a strategy. I'm not up here guessing and stuff because 9 times out of 10 it's gonna do what it do. You see what I'm saying? But also look on a higher time frame, the day we see this moving average right here is attempting. See what I'm saying? How you see how it's consolidating all these extra trades and stuff. So I just took that as a buy now because it told me I lost a couple of cents. Okay, so I'm not even losing. Look, that's the point I'm making. Yo, look, this particular leverage is like 100 because it is prop firm. If you were to go through Sway, it'd be 500. But this is the same stuff you would be using if you was trading with liquid with 500 leverage. It works really good. And I'm telling you everything it's doing based on market condition and it's doing everything I'm saying it's going to do based on the fact that the market is consolidating. It's not going to be a lot of movement. It's a lot of fall.